What's something people don't know about ICIT Canada? We're not just about training, we're about transforming futures. Imagine starting the career of your dreams today. And paying for it only after you land that job. Sounds like a dream? It's not. It's what ICIT Canada's study. Now Pay Later program is all about. For new immigrants, fresh grads, work permit holders, job seekers, those juggling odd jobs, or anyone itching for a career change, this is your golden ticket. Our training programs are designed to give you practical, hands-on experience that employers crave. We train in place for financial analyst junior to senior roles and for accounts payable and bookkeeping roles in weeks. Learn Excel modeling, SAP, BI, reporting, analysis, planning and controls. With over 900 successful placements, our results speak for themselves. We're so confident in our training that you can start by paying just a small amount to register. The rest? Pay it later once you've got that job, and that too in 18 months interest-free installments. But hurry, this offer is only valid until December 31st, 2024. Fees go up in January 2025, so act now to lock in the best deal of the year and avoid fees increase in January. Want to know more? Send your name and email to 647-785-3357 for details and some sample recorded classes. Or visit our website at www.icitcanada.ca. Don't wait. Unlock your future with ICIT Canada today. Register now and let's get you started on the path to success. ICIT Canada, where your future begins.